What if I told you there's a secret weapon for healthier pepper plants, right in your kitchen pantry? It's not a fancy chemical, but simple, affordable baking soda. This time-tested trick helps your peppers thrive, naturally. Let's be real for a second. If you're a gardener, you know the feeling. You pick your favorite peppers, nurture them, and give them everything they need. And then, things just stall. The plants look okay, but not great. You're left scratching your head, wondering, what am I doing wrong? It can feel like a frustrating cycle of hope and disappointment. The secret weapon today is good old-fashioned baking soda, sodium bicarbonate. I know what you're thinking. Baking soda? For peppers? But the logic is solid. It's all about defense. Baking soda helps prevent common fungal diseases like powdery mildew. Mixed with water and sprayed on leaves, it raises the pH, making it tough for fungi to grow. It's a gentle, preventative approach, helping your peppers stay healthy and strong. Let's get to the recipe you've been waiting for. You only need 3 things: baking soda, mild liquid soap, and water. Use pure baking soda, not baking powder, and a simple soap like Castile or non-detergent dish soap. The recipe: 1 tablespoon baking soda, half to 1 teaspoon soap, 1 gallon water. Mix well in lukewarm water so the baking soda dissolves. Pour into a spray bottle and mist your pepper plants, tops and undersides of leaves. Always do a patch test first. If there's no damage, you're good to go. Knowing the recipe is only half the battle. Timing is key. Spray early morning or late afternoon. Never spray in the middle of a hot, sunny day. The sun and spray can scorch the leaves. Let the solution dry without intense sunlight. Spray every 10-14 days for prevention. Increase to weekly if you see issues. Don't overdo it. Baking soda is a salt. Overuse can harm your soil and plants. Check the weather. Spray needs to dry. Avoid spraying before rain. Reapply after rain for protection. Don't use baking powder, it harms plants. Stick to the recipe, more isn't better. Strong plants need good soil. Use compost for a healthy foundation. Baking soda is a boost, not a cure. There you have it, a simple, natural way to protect your pepper plants and keep them healthy. Give this a try and see the difference for yourself. If you found this helpful, hit subscribe and ring the bell. Join our community for more smart, simple gardening tips. Let me know how your peppers are doing in the comments.